So I've already slicked my hair back into this little ratchet bun and just pulled out some of my edges to, you know, do some little swoops or whatever. So I'm gonna use my edge brush and this She's Bomb Goo to do my edges. So I want to try to do like some little fancy swirls, but I've never really done that, so we're gonna see how this turns out. So I actually just switched to some eco styler because that bomb goo is too like sticky and I can't move it around like I need to. And a hairnet and some lashes. I love how they send all these little goodies. And as for the wig, I believe this is like 18 inches, but I'm not completely sure. But it is curly hair. So this is what it looks like, and it has the headband with some Velcro on the end and 2 combs. Okay, so we're gonna see how this looks. So I'm literally just gonna put it on. Okay, it feels really secure already. Let me pull it up a little bit. Okay, so I went ahead and strapped the Velcro in the back. I'm gonna just spray the hair a little bit. Just loosen it up some. Ciao. Okay, so maybe it wasn't secure. Let me try that again. Let me try putting the combs in because I honestly didn't really put the combs in.
Yes, everybody knows family knows. Everybody.
Okay, let's try this again.
Tell them, y'all.
Okay, so now I'm using the combs. Okay, yeah, that feels secure. I feel like it's... Does that look too far? I guess it don't matter. I'm gonna put a scarf on it. Okay, so I'm strapping the Velcro in the back.
Tim, baby. What we gonna name it?
There we go.
Oh, I said the ultrasound, but you really
There we go. This is cute. Okay, so I'm just gonna continue spraying. And it's on there now. It's not flipping off. So if you get a headband wig, make sure you put the combs in your head. Otherwise, it's gonna fall off. But I'm just spraying it down with a little bit of water. And I'm gonna take my Denman brush to kind of define the curls a little bit. Okay, and as for the headband, I meant to go to the hair store and grab one, but I didn't because I don't really wear headbands like that. But I do have this scarf that I'm just gonna fold up like a headband. Okay, so I finally got the scarf all tied, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try to tie it on my head. Y'all, this is really cute. It looks so natural, and you can just throw this on if you're going to the store and you ain't got your wig on, or if you have last minute plans or something and your hair is not done, you can just throw on your headband wig. Uh-oh.
My bad, it really stopped. Hope it's a girl.
Okay. So there it goes. Y'all, this was so easy. Like, it literally takes 30 seconds to put on. So yeah, y'all, this is the final look. Here's my edges up close. But yes, it's super cute and it's super easy to use. So yeah,